In an Action News update, businessman Bobby Salazar and two others have been indicted on felony charges in the arson of one of his namesake restaurants. Salazar is accused of hiring a motorcycle gang member to set his restaurant on fire. A grand jury ruled on the case last week, revealing the names of those authorities say are involved. One of those suspects appeared in court today. Thanks for joining us for Action News Live at 6:30. Good evening. I'm Dale Urong.
And I'm Margot Kim. We're live on ABC 30, Hulu Live, and wherever you stream. Action News reporter Tiffany Olin explains what we now know about the two additional people now indicted.
Salazar was scheduled to be in court today, but after going through court documents, we found he was indicted last week, along with two additional co-defendants. Before this indictment, the names of those allegedly involved in this crime were not known. Now we know a bit more about what authorities say happened.
This is one of the men accused of setting a Bobby Salazar's restaurant on fire last year. Thomas Qualls pleaded not guilty in court Wednesday to a felony arson charge related to the incident. Last week, a federal grand jury indicted Qualls, Badiali, and Valley businessman Bobby Salazar on several felony counts related to the fire. Legal analyst Tony Capozzi says the case still has a lot to unpack.
This case will carry out for quite a while, or go on for quite a while. There'll be a lot of discovery, a lot of expertise in determining whether or not it was arson.
The indictment states Salazar paid Qualls and Badiali $10,000 last year to torch one of his namesake restaurants on Blackstone in central Fresno.
Mentioning them in this indictment may be a means to get them to cooperate and testify against the main defendant in this particular case, but that remains to be seen.
Salazar received over $900,000 in insurance money following that fire. Last month, we caught up with him ahead of his status hearing.
Bobby, do you have anything to say about the accusations?
I'm innocent.
Salazar remains out on bond while he awaits his next court date. The indictment says Badiali has not been arrested, but Qualls is in custody. Salazar faces felony arson-related charges and mail fraud.
The government is saying because of the arson, the insurance company had to mail a check back to Bobby Salazar. Using that mail is a federal offense to commit a crime.
The co-defendants are facing felony arson charges. If convicted, the trio's sentences range from 5 to more than 20 years behind bars.
I did reach out to the U.S. Attorney's Office for comment, but it is not doing interviews during the government shutdown. Salazar is set to be arraigned next month, while Qualls will be in court in the new year. In downtown Fresno, Tiffany Olin, ABC 30 Action News.